I'm Abhilash Varma. Welcome to Learn Online. So in this class, you're gonna learn all these tricks of speed mathematics. So with which you can increase your speed exponentially. Well, before that, I would like to talk a little bit about quantitative aptitude. Yes, a subject which is nightmare to most of the students who are attending competitive exams. Whenever you attend a competitive exam, particularly a question from quantitative aptitude, you face three major issues. They are, first one, understanding the question, and second is approach, and the third is speed. Now let us understand all these three in brief, and then we'll continue with the speed mathematics. Now the first one, understanding the question. Well, this is a very common thing for most of us, that when we read a question, we don't understand it completely. Now, at the end, we realize that we couldn't grab all the data required to solve the question. So what we do, we tend to read the question one more time. So taking 10 more seconds or 15 more seconds. So eventually, just to read and understand the question, we will spend 30 to 40 seconds. The second thing, approach. Well, even if you understand the question, many of us still fail or still get confused in the exam where exactly to solve the problem from, right? And the third, speed. So even if you understand the question, your approach is right, but you end up taking more time in the last step of the question, which is usually calculations. So in this class, we won't be discussing about the first two problems, that is understanding a question and the approach, because I am going to explain those two when we actually get into the concepts. So now let me talk about the speed in detail. In most of the competitive exams, ideal time for one question is 1 minute. Well, in some cases, it is less than that. But let us talk by considering there is 1 minute for one question. Well, in that 1 minute, we're going to spend 15 to 20 seconds in reading and understanding the question. So where are we spending the remaining 40 seconds? That must be in the calculations. Yes. Now, ask yourself, where should you reduce your time? Either in reading the question or in the calculations. If you ask me, I'll tell you, if you want, you can increase the time to read and understand, because I say a well understood question is half solved. So it means we have to reduce the time in our calculations. 40 seconds for the calculations is huge. You must be able to finish a medium level question and its calculations in 15 to 20 seconds. Well, in that case, you should not be even using the pen except for the last step, because when you try to understand the question properly, you process the data in your mind and you get to directly the last step or last but one step. Till then, you should not touch your pens. So that's where you save your time, mind calculations. And for the last step, yes, of course, in most of the cases, we need to use the pen. Now, in that part, how do we reduce the time? Speed. Well, in the speed mathematics, there are basically 4 options or 4 operations which are going to decide your speed. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Well, in this class, we won't be discussing about the division. Rather, we will be discussing about addition, subtraction, and multiplication in detail. To watch more free videos, download our Learn application from Play Stores. If you are benefited by these videos, please like and share our videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of our new videos that we upload regularly. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. Also, if you want to reach out to me or any of my team members, you can always do that through any of the social media platforms, and the links of which are already provided in the description below.